Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch today. I'm so excited today to share with you my monthly favorites. We have, what is it, August favorites? For this month, I have mostly beauty and makeup items to share with you, but I do have a couple lifestyle favorites and also a food item that was definitely worth sharing. All right, so let me start with what I'm probably most excited about, and that is at-home or DIY eyelash extensions. So I have a couple brands of products to share with you that I would recommend, and I have actually one that is kind of a fail and I wouldn't recommend you doing at home. But for the most part, if you're up for doing your own eyelash extensions at home, if you do it the right way with the right products that I will share with you, you won't damage your lashes and they're easy to do. A little bit of a learning curve, but pretty easy. And I'm gonna be reviewing each brand that I have to share with you in the future. So for today's purpose, I'm just sharing with you that I have been into at-home eyelash extensions. So let me show you the ones I'm wearing actually right now. I will zoom in for you. So the set that I have on today is from a brand called Lilac St, and these are the style LBD, or Little Black Dress. And it's just more of like for me, it's just more of a natural vibe. And I just love them so much. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Sorry, the sunlight's kind of in a weird place right now. But these are LBD by Lilac St. I'll zoom you back out. This is another style, or this is basically what they look like when they come. This is also by Lilac St, and this is in the style called Gaze. A little bit shorter, less dramatic. The other brand that I ordered from is called Flutter Habit, and they come like this. This is the original. These are the originals. So yeah, I will be reviewing each of these brands and doing like a tutorial because it's so worth it to do these like DIY lashes at home. I mean, there's just nothing better than waking up with eyelashes on. And another reason why I feel like I need to have eyelash extensions on right now is because the other week when I did my first round of at-home eyelash extensions, I kind of damaged my lashes a little bit, and I'll show you what I used, because I don't recommend using it unless you have a heavy duty like salon grade remover, and that is the Ardell LashTite adhesive glue that looks like that. Comes in this little bottle, and I'll put up an image of me wearing those lashes. I used, let me grab these out here. So I just used like a mixture of these individual ones, and then I also have, I can't find them right now, but I did some also trios, and I used that LashTite glue, and they were on there really good, and they looked beautiful. They looked like a salon volume set, like a 6D like Russian volume set. But I ended up basically using too much glue, and so I could feel the glue on there, and so I had to take them off, and I basically had to damage my lashes to get them off because I didn't have the right remover. So long story short, don't use that Ardell LashTite glue unless you actually have a proper remover to go with it, because that stuff is no joke. And then both the Lilac St and the Flutter Habit brands, they sell their own adhesive to go with it. I also, the one I'm using today with my Lilac St lashes is this one that I ordered off of Amazon, and it was, I don't know, like, I'm gonna have to just review all of these and compare them in a separate video, but I just wanted to kind of share these with you in case you're like eager to get started like I was. So I'll go ahead and wrap that up. But basically, I love at-home lash extensions, and I don't think I mentioned this, but they do go under the lashes, so they look more natural, and they're actually a lot easier to apply. And then, as you guys know, I had pretty intensive surgery on my hip and my femur in May, and so I was having a hard time putting my shoes on, and I just got to a point where I was so sick of having my husband put my shoes on for me and tie them and all that stuff. So I was researching, Googling some shoelace options of easy tie shoelaces, and I came across this brand called ULTA, and I'm pretty sure they were actually on Shark Tank as well, as where they got their start. And so basically what it is a stretchy like elastic shoelace that you put in your shoe. Looks like this, and you don't have to tie your shoes. Like, you don't have to do the bunny loop pull through type method. You just slip them on. They're super stretchy like that, and then the inside has like the little back or stopper that looks like that. It says ULTA on there. I absolutely love these. not just for convenience purposes, but I think they look cool as well. They look a lot cooler than like an actual like, you know, bunny ear shoelace tie, if that makes any sense. And so I got this kind of, I think it's called canvas color. It's like an off-white. I got these for a pair of Nikes that I have. And then they also have, oh, these are the slims. They have the slims. And then they also have like the regular ones. They're for like regular shoes. And so they're about $5 or $6 a pack. And I'll see if I can find a coupon code, because I used a coupon code when I ordered mine. But yeah, I definitely recommend these. And they have kid sizes and different prints, like fun prints. So I think they're great for kids and adults like me. My next favorite is a product that I talked about in a recent haul video. And I just have been, I use it every day and I absolutely love it. I think it's such a cool product. It is this r+Co Dart pomade stick. So it looks like a tiny little deodorant and it clicks up like that. And it's basically a pomade that you just swipe on your hair, and it tames your flyaways or baby hairs. Like I have crazy baby hairs, so I use this all the time, and it doesn't make your hair crunchy or like stiff, or it doesn't damage your hair like a hairspray would do those things. So I absolutely love this, and I've used it a ton and I haven't hardly put a dent in it, so it's totally worth it. Next up, I have a food item to share with you, and these are from Costco, and I just have the package because my family and I have eaten all of these, all 18 links that it came with. So how much? Yeah, 18. It came with 18 of these chicken sausage links. And so the brand is, what is it? Amy Lou, and they're apple and gouda cheese stuffed sausages, chicken sausages. They're so good, and you get a pretty big link size per serving. And so the macros are also really great too. It's only 130 calories. And then what I love the most is you get 16 grams of protein per link. So I've been having these for breakfast. My 2- and 4-year-old daughters they absolutely love these. You like bite into it and you almost get a burst of cheese in your mouth. It sounds kind of gross, but it's so delicious. And like little apple slice chunks in there, and they're just so good. Got these at Costco. I'll try to link them below, but I was trying to order them same day Costco delivery, but I didn't see them on their actual website. So just check your stores. Not in the frozen section, I don't think it was. It was by like the, what was it by? Like the cheese section. And then I have a couple makeup favorites that I will share with you now. So the first one is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Sydney Grace Summer Days eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so sparkly and looks like this. I'm a little scared because I actually just repressed these 2 shades because mine had broke because I dropped it. So they're really soft, but they're actually a little bit wet right now, so I don't really want to swatch them. They're beautiful, and I actually did a whole get ready with me video that I'll link below, and I featured this palette. I used this to create the look. I love how all of my looks turn out with this one. But Sydney Grace, if you're not familiar, basically is a brand that has amazing quality products, and the price point is amazing. So definitely check them out. I want to say this palette is $33 for all of 9 shades, and I'm pretty sure at the time of filming this video this is sold out, but they will be restocking it in September. So definitely check back. Also follow me on Instagram because I will be doing a giveaway giving away this palette. So it's just BeautyBuzzHub. I always have it listed and linked below, but follow me over there because that's where that giveaway will happen. Sydney Grace also has single shadows. They have like loose glitters. I mean, they have face products, lip products, but their eyeshadows is what I personally I think they're just amazing quality. And I want to say they're like $6 for a single eyeshadow pan. Like for a pan that comes like that, you do have to put them in a Z palette or your own magnetic palette, but they're so amazing and I think super underrated. Side note, Sydney Grace, they actually just sent me this Tiny Marvels palette, which is a Mel Thompson collab, and look how pretty this is. I haven't used this yet because I just got it, but look how beautiful that is, and I cannot wait to play around with that. And just look at the packaging. I mean, would you just die? So my camera just cut me off. I needed to switch my battery. So I did that, and not sure exactly what I was talking about, but I think I was just talking about how excited I am to use this Tiny Marvels palette. So there's that. And then my next favorite is a product that I also featured and used and demoed for you in that Get Ready With Me video that I was talking about, and I'll have that listed and linked below. It's this Clinique Chubby Stick Curvy Contour, shade 01. I think it's their only like contour bronze color. And it's just like the retractable chubby stick. It looks like that. This is so beautiful, and you'll see in that Get Ready With Me video just how easy it blends into the skin, how pretty it is, and how natural looking it is. It's the only like bronze contour that I have on today. It just blends out like so pretty, and it just gives you like such like a flush, not flush, but healthy glow, like healthy color. And I just think it's amazing. It's super easy to use because you just like, you know, run it wherever you want it and then blend it out either with your fingers, or I use a brush. I've actually been using the Sephora Pro Airbrush number 56 brush, so I love those together. I'm really interested to try out the Clinique Chubby Stick like cream blush sticks, like in the cream colors or in the face cheek colors. Let me know if you've tried those and what your thoughts are on them. And then last, I have two concealers because I love both for different reasons. And the first is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I just have this little mini size, and the shade that I have is Fair Neutral 12N. And look how cute it is. If you guys haven't seen the Tarte Shape Tape, it comes with a doe foot applicator, and the full size I want to say has a bigger wand than this one. Looks like that. And so I think I talked about this in my haul video, my huge beauty haul that posted a couple weeks ago. And I got this product when it first came out. I got the full size because everybody was raving about it. Everybody still does rave about this product, and I just hated it so much. It was so drying under my eyes. I just couldn't get it to work for me. But I ended up trying it again, and I absolutely love it. I have to make sure my under eye area is super hydrated, like with oil or a very heavy cream, a thick cream under there, because I do have really dry crepey under eyes, and I still can get this to work for me. You'll have to check it out in that Get Ready With Me video. I keep plugging that video, but I show you guys how I layer very thin layers of this and blend it out with a concealer brush, and it's so beautiful, full coverage. And the best part about it is I do not have to set it with a powder. This is like the only concealer that I've ever found that I really truly don't have to set with a powder, and it won't budge. So love that. Let me know in the comments below, are you a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape? Have you tried it? I know it's kind of a love or hate type product. It seems like most people absolutely love it though. And then is this last? This might be last. This is another concealer, and this is almost like a totally different type concealer. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and I have mine in the shade Fair Light Neutral 03, and it's just like a stick concealer. It's not just like, it is a stick concealer, and it is so creamy and so emollient. I love this for days. And look, I'm almost done with mine. I just have like a little nubbin left because that's how much I love it and how much I've been using it. I love this for days when I am basically not wearing makeup hardly at all. I'll do like brows, I'll have my false lash extensions on, and then I will put a little bit of this concealer under my eyes because I do have really bad dark circles under there, and it's just so easy to kind of swipe on. It's in a stick, you don't have to worry about like the applicator, and then I just like quickly blend it in so fast with my ring fingers, and I just feel a little bit more put together. I look a little like more healthy, meaning I don't have like as severe dark circles. So this is like my mask makeup concealer that I love. Like I mentioned, super creamy and emollient, and if you have dry skin or crepey under eyes, definitely check this one out. It's just so easy to use. It's in a stick. You just, I mean, what more could you want? I mean, ideally I would set this with a powder, but I don't when I wear it on a daily basis. It does kind of crease a little bit, but I just make sure to kind of keep wiping under there until the creasing stops. So there's that. I think that's everything. I feel like I got done with this video a lot faster than it usually takes me to film, so hopefully I didn't forget anything to share with you. But yeah, those are my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you have been loving this past month, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.